Good morning and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Thursday, US market ended February by hitting new highs and bond yields were little changed after the PCE report. The dollar mostly rose. It was above the levels of 104, though the yen strengthened amid signals the Bank of Japan may end its negative rate policy. Oil dipped little bit from the highs, it was around 81.50, and gold advanced. Asian equity futures are trading a little flat to positive. Gift Nifty is up nearly 30-35 points, and even if we go through with the domestic data, then there also these overall cues are extremely positive. India's quarterly GDP came at 8.4 versus the expectations of 7.6, and previously, I mean to say, year on year basis, in the previous year it was at 6.6%. So while looking at the global markets and domestic cues, we are of the view that we should open somewhere close to 22,100, which is the next major hurdle for the market. On the day of monthly expiry, we saw smart recovery from the lows and market closed at the highest point of the day. So the next level could be around 22,100, and there we can expect some resistance in the market. But in case if we see the market is sustaining comfortably about 22,100, then the next level to watch out for would be 22,200. However, the overall pattern is suggesting us that till the markets are not crossing 22,300, we are going to see volatile activity in the market, and the market may again retest the levels of 21,800, which was yesterday's lowest level. So broadly, if there is any higher opening and if we are moving towards resistance level, try to reduce long positions at each resistance level. On the other side, if we see the market is dropping, then below 22,000 we can see 21,900 and maybe 21,800. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw some resilient sort of activity. Even though there was pressure in the market, the Bank Nifty was holding well above the mark of 45,900, which has actually helped the Bank Nifty to close at the highest point of the day at 46,200. Now the next level could be around 46,400, and above that we can expect some short covering, which can lift the Bank Nifty towards 46,600, 700 levels. But again, here also our strategy is to buy few stocks like ICICI Bank or maybe HDFC Bank, State Bank with a medium to long term view. With a very short term view, we are expecting all these stocks to trade in a range. There are very few exceptions like State Bank of India, where there is fair value of nearly 850, 860. IndusInd Bank, where we can see the levels of maybe 1800, and that's the reason at these levels they are at reasonable levels. I mean to say all these BFSI stocks are at reasonable levels, and we should look for adding them with a medium to long term view. Finally, from the IT space, we may see some activity in Infosys as well as TCS in today's date, but we also like few metal companies, and in that specifically Jindal Steel and Power as well as Tata Steel should be on the watch list. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you. Have a great day to all of you.